Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to fold a horse. No, it's a hippopotamus. Speaking of which, yes, at least now you know that pigs and horses are quite distantly related. Alright, back to the main topic. Today, we'll be using an 110 gram per lesson cardstock to make this simple hippopotamus. The paper has two sides. First, place the back side facing up. Fold a diagonal line by bringing the corners together. Open it up, then fold the other diagonal line, fold it, and open it again. Next, align this edge with this line, but don't fold it yet. After aligning, extend along this diagonal. Line to here and press down to create a point. Then flip to the other side and fold a horizontal line through the point we just created. Open it up and fold this tip toward the point again. Fold it, open it up, and fold this line toward this line once more. Alright, after folding, fold this edge toward the diagonal line. Do the same on the other side. Next, look here. This should form a T shape. And fold along one of its diagonals. Just a gentle fold will do. Fold roughly along this horizontal line. Do the same on the other side. Press it down and then open it up. Now, let's flip it over. Fold this edge towards the diagonal line. Do the same on the other side. Alright, fold it and then open it up. Notice now, through these 2 points, we fold an angle. Fold it and then open it up. Do the same on the other side. Through these 2 points, fold an angle and open it up. Then, notice, we restore these 2 lines. After restoring them, fold this edge toward this line. Do the same on the other side. Flip it over. Notice, along the middle line of these 3 lines, fold the bottom corner backward. After folding it backward, fold these 2 corners toward the middle along these 2 lines. After folding, notice there's a crease we made earlier. Press it flat along this crease. Then press the entire edge flat. It should look like this. This is the hippopotamus's ear, so try to fold it as sharply as possible. Then, flip it over. Now let's look at this part. Along the middle line of this corner, we pinch it out. From this line, there's a point here, and from this point to here, there's an intersection of a crease and the edge. Fold it. Fold this connecting line. Fold a connecting line from here to here. Then press this angle flat here. Do the same on the other side. First, find this point. After finding the point, fold a line from point to point. This is the hippopotamus's front leg. Just align it roughly. Then change the perspective. Fold this tip towards this position. Align both sides and fold toward the middle line. Just fold it to here. Press the back flat. Then open it up. Open it from the middle. Then fold it back along the bottom part. Fold along the previous crease on the edge. Press it flat on the surface. Let's look at the front. Fold this triangle inside along this line. Fold it inside. Then fold it along the entire axis of symmetry. Now, pay attention to the front part. From this edge, fold a recessed bone line. Fold a protruding mountain line along the edge of the paper. Do the same on the other side. Fold along the edge and then along the front edge. Then, we've made a diagonal fold for the hippopotamus's head. Fold it back. It looks like this from the bottom. Fold it back. Let's look at the tail part. We fold it back from about 1/3 of the way. Fold back a corner to form an isosceles right. Triangle from about 1/3 of the way. Fold back a corner. Then fold out a small angle to the outside. It should look like this. Like this. Open it up. Fold this part from the middle of the paper layer. Adjust the direction of the crease. Now, reveal a tail tip. Fold this part inside from here. Do the same on both sides. Fold it inside. This is the hind leg. Then let's tidy up the head part. Open up this part to reveal a diamond shape. Then, from the bottom, open up this trapezoidal part. Gently pinch along this edge. Be careful not to press too hard and create a crease, just gently pinch it. This makes it more rounded. Scrape along the edge at the bottom. Make it a bit rounder. Like this. This is the three-dimensional part. Then, for the body part, lift it up from the middle. From the middle between the two ears, press down about the width of a finger. Gently pinch both sides without pressing too hard to create a crease. Then extend it backward. Create the curve of the back. If you're using thin paper, the back might end up with a sharp edge at this step. So, I suggest using relatively thicker paper. This way, the back line can be more gentle. Then, this is the ear part. These two little tips. Roll them slightly to the sides. There are two little ears. Many people say the charm of this hippopotamus lies in its round nostrils. How do we make the nostrils? We can do it like this. First, lift this part up and pinch the thicker part at the bottom. Then, press down from the tip with your fingernail. After pressing it down, rotate along the contour. This way, we can shape a round nostril. Like this. Tidy up the edge. Do the same on the other side. Pinch the thicker part at the bottom, press down from the tip with your fingernail, and rotate to shape the nostril. Make sure both sides are symmetrical, the same size and as round as possible. This is a bit awkward. Doesn't it feel like you're picking the hippopotamus's nose? Alright, after shaping the nostrils, let's look at the eye part. From a point a little higher up here, use one fingernail below and one above to fold a small angle. Fold a small angle. Fold it again. With this small crease and the shadow beneath it, we've created the hippopotamus's eye. On the symmetrical position, do the same. Use the fingernails above and below to fold a small angle. Paper folding often requires patience. The more time and effort you put into a piece, the better the final result will be. And for the final touch, let's gently bend this tip inward to create a sense of three-dimensionality for the belly. Just curve it slightly inward. Do the same on both sides, just slightly bend it inward. Alright, now our cute little hippopotamus is complete.